4M launches the brand new version of Fine SANI 19 standalone software platform. Fine SANI is a powerful workstation of water supply and sewage projects, which automatically performs the necessary hydraulic calculations directly from the drawings, producing all the project results such as calculation issue, technical descriptions, full-scale drawings and bill of materials. Fine SANI automates the designing process, providing the user with the appropriate installation designing solutions. Let's watch a quick overview of this software in a simple project. A water supply system can be drawn in one dimension so that it can be identified and transferred to the calculation sheet automatically. The first step is to place the receptor's position manually. Although the user insert them in 2D dimensions, the appliances is possible to be displayed with 3D dimensional features. After that, we determine the cold and hot water pipes with single lines and connect them with distributors and receptors. The above procedure should be followed separately for cold and hot water network. Since the network has been drawn, the network recognition command informs the user for potential problem in the network, such as disconnected segments or short circuits. In addition, junction points and receptors are numbered on the ground plan, and in this way we can proceed in the calculation module. It has to be noticed that the numbering of the sections, the lengths of the network sections, the receptors with their supplies and the fittings from the piping routing are transferred in the calculation sheet. The application integrates a variety of calculation methods with just one click. After the calculation part is completed, Update Drawing function can update drawings according to calculations parameters. Finally, the vertical diagram is created automatically, executing the corresponding command. After the drawing has been updated, you can convert the single lines to 3D pipes by executing this command. As it is indicated, the dimension of the 3D pipes is related to the calculation results. By selecting AutoNet Sewage, the menu is modified as to provide all the functions and commands for a sewage network. The appliances are placed as referred earlier for the water supply application. The second step, connection of the piping to the appliances, is implementing using the node connection point in the piping group of commands. In order to minimize the time needed and the possibility of a drawing error, it is recommended to use the connect appliances with floor siphon, where it is possible. Rainwater network can be designed following the same principles and defining rainwater surfaces. Select Network Recognition command in order to recognize the network, as well as the position of the appliances in the spaces, and to prepare the files for the connection with the calculations. It is crucial that calculation performed in compliance with all renowned standards. Drawings are updating automatically with labels according to calculating results. At the end, it is impressive that single-line drawings are converted to 3D real dimensions